and welcome back to Evie Kids. Sitting here on a lovely day surrounded by all this wild garlic, who couldn't help but feel inspired to think about making some wonderful wild garlic pesto?
So, wild garlic. First of all, crush the leaves between your fingers. It should smell of garlic. This should ensure that you collect wild garlic and not lily of the valley or lords and ladies, which are both really deadly poisonous. To make your wild garlic pesto, you will need 100 grams of wild garlic, the zest and juice of 1 lemon, 65 grams of walnuts, and 3 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese or nutritional yeast, 150 millilitres of olive oil, half a teaspoon of salt and a pinch of pepper. Tip: you can replace those walnuts with any nuts or seeds you have to hand. And if you can't have nuts or dairy, don't worry. Depending on your needs, either add 2 tablespoons more of Parmesan cheese or nutritional yeast. First, rinse and dry your wild garlic. Leave it to air. While that dries, now is the time to prepare your lemon. Grate the zest of your lemon and then cut and juice the rest of it. Next, crush your walnuts and dry roast them in a frying pan for approximately 5 minutes on medium heat. Stir and remove from the heat once they are toasted and let them cool. Whilst that happens, roughly chop up your wild garlic. With all of your ingredients now prepared, add them into the food processor. Everything except the oil. Only add half of your lemon juice in, and then you can add it slowly as you would like for taste. And when you're ready, blitz all of your ingredients together in the food processor. Then slowly pour in the oil, remembering to keep a little bit back. If you're doing this with a pestle and mortar rather than a food processor, you'll have to do this in small batches. Otherwise, blend until your pesto is smooth. Next, sterilize your jar in boiling water, and then, of course, you can begin to fill. Remember that you need to leave a small gap at the top in order to be able to fill the jar with the remaining oil. This seals it and helps it to last for longer. Then you can lid it and consider it a job done. Your pesto will keep refrigerated for 1 to 2 weeks.
So I hope you've enjoyed making your wild garlic pesto. I know this isn't going to last long in this house. And if you'd like to find out some other things you can do with wild garlic, please check out some of our other nature activity resources. And until next time, take care. Bye.